An asylum seeker is holed up in a hotel room in Kabul in fear for his life after the Home Secretary breached a High Court order not to remove him from the UK and instead put him on a plane back to Afghanistan. Samim Bigzad, 23, says he is a prime target for the Taliban because he worked in construction for the Afghan government and American companies before he sought sanctuary in the UK. Now he is back in Kabul. He is even more fearful after a group of armed men in plainclothes arrived at the hotel on Wednesday and demanded to know his whereabouts. Two High Court judges have made separate orders calling for Bigzad to be brought back to the UK as a matter of urgency. The second states that the Home Secretary, Amber Rudd, is in contempt of court for breaching the first order not to remove Bigzad. Judge condemns Amber Rudd for ignoring orders to release torture victim Reed. More, I am very scared, Bigzad said in a call from his hotel room in Kabul. The people who work at the hotel are bringing food to me and have told me I must not leave this room at all. I think the hotel staff have a gun for protection if the men come back and try to force their way in. The first High Court order preventing the asylum seeker's removal was issued on Tuesday evening by Mr. Justice Morris. By that time Bigzad had already been removed from the UK by the Home Office and had been put onto a Turkish Airlines flight to Istanbul. From there he was due to board a connecting flight to Kabul. The aim of the High Court order was to prevent him from being put on the second flight. However, the Home Office decided not to abide by the order and put him on the plane to Kabul, where he arrived on Wednesday morning. His lawyers then obtained a second, strongly worded High Court order from Mr. Justice J, which described the Home Secretary's breach of the first court order as prima facie contempt of court. Bigzad had been living in Ramsgate, Kent, after entering the UK 2 years ago in order to join his father, who had been granted asylum.